Hey guys, myself मनीष गांधी। आज के वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब बढ़िया होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं एक ऐसे ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग ऐप की बात करूंगा जिसकी मदद से आप $30 पर आवर की अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो वो ऐप है Canva, which is one of the easiest app to start your journey as a graphic designer, with which you can make easy carousels, thumbnails, or anything related to graphic designing. And I'll also be talking about the 3 fields in which you can go and can earn a good amount of money. So let's get started. So firstly, I'll show you how much money people are earning through this. So if we talk about thumbnail designer or FIVERR, so you can see that this top rated provider is starting from 4,300. So let's see what is he offering. So he is also a video editor and YouTuber. So in basics, he's charging $50 for one thumbnail. In standard, as you can see, $45 for each, and in premium, $40 each, which costs us near about 10,400 rupees. So you can see now what is the potential of being a graphic designer. So now if we search about Instagram carousels, so here we get Bortos, who is the top rated creator, who is charging 10,841 for 3 Insta carousels. So you can see yourself that how much you can earn, but with experience. So you can see people who are just beginners or intermediates who are costing 500 rupees for the basics. So this Insta Facebook carousel gig is also having huge potential. So you can consider this also. So now I'll be talking about second thing from which you can make money using Canva. So that is creating templates for every design. In first one, you had to do everything yourself. But in this, only you have to create templates. And you can sell them to people and can earn a good amount of money. And it's just one-time work. You have to create it one time and gradually people will be liking it and they will purchase it. And automatically you will be paid for that. So firstly, you can create templates of thumbnails as everyone wants that, because you can yourself see that how big is the YouTube creators community and everyone wants templates for thumbnails. So it has a huge potential and you can earn even lakhs in this field. And if you show some good results, like this thumbnail has helped people to gain good views and has helped them in good engagement or reach, then your thumbnails will be demanding. Or you can create Instagram carousels and can share it with your clients. So now we will see that how it's happening on FIVERR. So here, if we search Insta carousels, so here you can see Ario FP. I will create design carousel for Facebook and Instagram ads. So in basics, he's providing 3 images for 2,600. And in standard, he's providing 5 images plus 2 stock photos. And if you see premium, he's charging 8,239 rupees for 5 images plus source files plus up to 5 stock photos if needed. So that's how it works. So number 3. So before that, if you like the content, do hit the like button. So now a new feature has been provided by Canva of editing. So as today, reels and short form content is in demand, so you can learn the basic editing and can approach the creators who are consistently putting their short form videos or content on YouTube, and you can earn a good amount of money if you convince them. So these were the ways with which you can make money using Canva. So hope you liked my content and will execute my idea. If so, do hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.